Just a warning, if you're a Mac Pro, turn off now. It is a basic video. Right, that's that done. Let's get on with it. Open up iMovie. There we go. Okay, right. So the first thing we've got to do is create a new project. So obviously I've got one open from last time. Let's just create a new one. So, new project. Up here, where it says name, change it to whatever you want. So I'm just going to call it new. Check the aspect ratio and the frame rate. Now over here where it says project themes, you can choose any of these you want. I personally keep it on no theme because I think the other ones are more for fun videos like you're doing for your family or whatever. Below you've got the movie trailer section. This is where you can do more professional looking trailers, but maybe for a longer video. I personally do my own in the actual project, so let's get on. One thing to add, where it says automatically add, I have that always ticked and I choose fade to black because that basically means it'll automatically add transitions when I put in new videos and pictures and stuff, and it means I don't have to put them in manually myself. I personally like that, but you can choose from all of these and you can also edit it later on when you're in the actual project. So press create. There we go. Here we go. There's the thing. It tells you what to do, but we're going to do it differently. We're going to start by making an intro. So all we need to do is click the T over here, show or hide title browser. We click that and it comes up with a load of themes that we can use. Personally, I use Four Corners, but there are loads to choose from. So hold down your mouse, drag Four Corners theme over and drop it in one of these boxes here. Pretty self-explanatory, but here the choose background bit, choose whatever background you like. I choose the industrial, which you can see in the display window. I think it looks quite clean and not too busy. I just like the way it looks. You can choose from any of these, you can have whatever. I think the plain looks a bit basic, but yeah, there's some pretty nice ones on here, of course. You can choose from any of them. So I'm going to go for industrial. Just click on it and it will go away. Then up here you can edit your text. Just click in the box like you would a text box in a Word document and then go away and type. So let's call this a test. And then we're going to go down to the bottom one, click again, highlights it all. Just press backspace and you get rid of that. And then I'm going to say test 1. You can also put symbols in here, whatever you like. Okay, it's me being immature, but okay, so there we go. I've just clicked away and it's all in there. So I can now display it and see that these are going to come flying in. Perfect, lovely. If that's all you want, great. You can also press the space bar to play. So basically you just move your mouse where the red bar wants to go, press space, you can test it, press space to stop it. Or alternately, if you want to view it, this button down the bottom, the solid one where it says play project in full screen playback mode, give it a click. There we go. Okay, now if you want to adjust the length of the clip, just click on the little settings cog here, go to clip adjustments, and up pops this window called inspector. Now you just change it here, so let's go for a 5 second, or you can be really specific and you know, you can also change the background here if you don't like the way it looks. So I'm personally alright with it, but you can just change it. Okay, lovely, done. So that's now 5 seconds long, and obviously you can re-preview it, do whatever you want. Now, to be able to adjust the text, just double click on the window up here and then press show fonts. This basically allows you to change the font, colour and size of your writing. Now if you look at it in this window, this choose font window, it basically shows you a whole preview of what it's going to look like. Now if you want to see what your intro looks like with each font without clicking off, just move your cursor along the bar, like you see the red line moving now. That basically previews the clip. Then I'll go down to the next font, because I didn't like that one. Yeah, that's okay. This one, oh okay, yeah. You get the idea. Let's just choose one for now. Let's go for this basic one. Okay, now what we can do is we can change the colour. And there we go, we can move it across again, the red thing, see what it looks like, see what one you prefer. Well, let's choose that. And as you can see, the white bars have gone bold, showing that that is the one selected. Now we can change the size of the font. Any of these, you know, the only thing with this is it changes both of the different text things, so both of the text layers you have on the same clip. So I'll click 8. If you want to do it independently, however, you just press this button here, System Font Panel, and it gives you more flexibility with your tests. So basically you can choose a separate font if you want that one, say, or this one, or this one. You change each individual layer, and of course you can put different fonts in if you want to. And you can also change the size as well, which is handy, of each individual element. So there we go, lovely. And then all you have to do is press done, and we're there. So what you have to do now is just press spacebar, or sorry, that's my fault, just press the full screen, see what it looks like. It's a lot better length now, it's maybe a bit slow, but hey. Now I'll show you another one, an alternate you can do. Let's go for the good old Star Wars style intro. Personally, I would choose the star background because that's just how it traditionally is. Just select it again like we did on the old one, and then there we go. So if you want to change the text, just click up here, delete, there we go, we can change it. And then if you want to change the font of just the title, make sure you're on the System Font Panel, and then you highlight the title, not the whole thing, like so, and then scroll down and find whatever size you want. There we go. Okay, and then if you want to change all of the text together, make sure you're on the other one, the iMovie font panel. It just basically gives you a good view of what it's going to look like. So let's make this really awful and tacky and go for the worst ones possible. Done. Lovely. Okay, and then all you have to do is press done up here, and it just gives you an idea of what it looks like. So we want to change the timing on this as well, because otherwise it'd be too fast. Because if I play from here, there we go. Can you read that? Well, some people might, but hopeless. So we just go clip adjustments, duration. Let's make this 7 seconds long, not 3. Oh, that would be a bit long. 3.2. What am I doing? 7.2 seconds. Okay, done. Then you see it's extended, and these black boxes here are the transitions, basically, that I selected at the beginning, the fade to black. Now you can change these, and I'll show you how to do them in another video, but at the moment I'll leave them as they are. So basically, if we watch the whole thing from the beginning, just click the preview one, it will show us the whole project. Nice and basic, but basically it gives you good quality results. That's still a bit fast, so I could potentially slow that down, or I could cut the text down depending on what I wanted to do. But there we go, that is basic intros on iMovie. If you want me to do any other videos regarding iMovie, just leave them in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you. Thanks guys, don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe so you can keep up to date with the latest videos. That'd be really helpful. See you later guys.